Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will discuss with you how to become master at graphic design. Before that, we really need to understand how do people actually learn. Basically, there are 4 processes of learning, whatever you want to learn. The first stage is unconscious incompetence. It means that you don't know what you don't know. You are unconscious about your knowledge. Such as, you may not know, before you watching this course, what is graphics design actually. You may know, graphic design means learning only Photoshop, Illustrator's tools. But for learning graphic design, actually you have to learning design principle, color theory, brainstorming, analyzing, and there are so many things like these, that must need to know, to be a graphic designer. The second stage is conscious incompetence. It means that you are conscious what you don't know. Such as, after watching this course, you will now learn that graphic design is not just about knowing the tools of Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. For being a graphic designer, I have to learn design principle, color theory, brainstorming, typography rules, and lots of things. That means, you are conscious that what you don't know. The third stage is conscious competence. It means that you are learned all things that need to be a graphic designer. You are conscious about the design fundamental of graphic design. Now you can easily understand the design principle, color theory. You can easily choose the best font for your design. In this stage you don't face any problem about graphic design. By practicing more and more in this stage, one day you will go to another level. And that is the higher stage. That is the master. This is the unconscious competence. The fourth stage is unconscious competence. In this stage, you don't need to think to design. You don't need to think where to use any color, where to use which typeface. You can automatically understand those. Such as, you brush your teeth when you wake up in the morning. But you don't have to think, I have to brush my teeth. You don't have to think, how to brush my teeth. Everything is happening unconsciously. That means, you have mastered those things by practicing them regularly. The same will be happen to you in case of graphic design. My job is to teach you everything. I will teach you all the fundamental things of design. I will take you to this level of conscious competence. Then the rest, you have practicing regular, and go up the next level. And this is the highest stage of human life. So our goal is to gain knowledge about everything. We must always be in learning. Many people think that we learn and time goes on, our skills will continue to grow linearly. This is actually a misconception. Our skills never increase so suddenly over time. This is the actual curve we will have. The curve of your skill will be like this. You will not learn anything at first. You will feel like you are not learning anything. And then you will see one day your skill will suddenly go up. Then your skill will go to the next level. Then it will go down a little again. Then many people will be disappointed that, I am learning so much but I am not improving. This is the biggest problem. This is where everyone gets frustrated. Here everyone leaves. Then they don't improve anymore. That's why everyone cannot learn everything. And everyone cannot be successful in life. You must cross this level. When you see that, you are learning so much and working so hard, but you are not improving. That means you are at this level, and this level is called plateau. During this time, you will not be disappointed like other people's. You never give up, you must practice regularly at this stage. Then you go up again, you go down again, you go up again. This is the actual learning process. And this is how people get mastery in any subject. And the same way, you will get mastery in graphic design. And this is the one of the great life lesson. Now we will know the difference between the fixed mindset and growth mindset. Fixed mindset means creativity is not possible by you. You have the creativity that you have been born with since childhood. Your creativity will not grow as you get older. Again, many people think that I can't speak in a beautiful way, it won't happen by me. It's a completely wrong idea. And this the fixed mindset. Most of the people of our society are fixed mindset. And growth mindset means it is possible to improve intelligence. And it is possible to improvement at every moment from what we have been born with. That means, the more we learn continuously, the more we learn. But the people of growth mindset are really lacking in our society. Everyone is fixed mindset, and they also disappoint others by their fixed mindset. You must need to get out of this fixed mindset. Everything is possible through learning. If you look at successful people, everyone is not born with talent. Everyone being successful throughout learning or hard work. So if you want to be successful in life or do something in life, that will be remarkable. You must learning new thing every day. A lot of people say that Bill Gates dropped out. He achieved success without studying. Is that really true? He used to study day and night after dropping out. He used to read a lot of books on business. So how do you say he got success without studying? People do not achieve success by chance. They achieve it through continuously growth. So if you want to be successful in your life, you must learning. Everything you learn in your life, it will work in one way or another in your life. Thank you.